Hey guys, it's T20 here, back with, this is my first video in the start to a new series. So today I'll be teaching you how to make the start to an RPG game. Tomorrow, hopefully, or the next day to the series, I'll be teaching you how to use the moving feature. And yeah, so let's start. So first you want to search up Scratch right here, and then just press enter, and then click Scratch Imagine Program Share. Click that, and then if you don't already have a Scratch account, go to this, sign out, then there'll be a button that says sign in, and you just fill out that information. So after that, you want to go to create, and it should take you to a page that looks like this. So once you're on this page, you will see you have this object in the middle of the screen, and see how it says X0, Y0, X and Y. Those will matter in the future, but not right now. So right now you want to name this whatever you want. Let me just name this RPG video. I don't care what you name it, but whatever. So right now you're gonna right click on the spray and press delete. By the way, this does not work on iOS or Android. So if you're on iOS or Android, please don't just click off this video and go to a computer. So right now you're gonna paint a new sprite, put this, and then zoom in. Actually, put your zoom to about 400. Select whatever color you want. I'm going to choose red because it resembles play. And you might be wondering, why would we need a sprite for a play button? Well, you'll see in the future. Oh, oops. But right now, just follow me. So, I'm just and then I'm going to go into this filling tool. Bam! We got ourselves a play button. So right now we're going to add a script. So we're going to do when flag clicked right here. So if I click it, it does nothing. We're just going to put hide. And then, yeah, that's all we'll need right now. So when I click this, it should disappear. Don't worry, it'll be back. So now you're gonna go into backgrounds, and paint a new one. So pick a background color. I'm gonna pick, well, for an RPG game, I'm gonna pick black, and then I'm gonna put a rectangle. Well, this is my design. You don't have to do this design, but I personally like this design. So I'm just gonna add these, and then I'm gonna go into fill in, and yeah. So next you're gonna go into text box, whatever text you want your color to be. Let me put T20, make it bigger, T20. Yeah, so that's all you need right now. If you want to pause the video and go do that right now, yeah, just do that. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment your favorite part of the video and what I should do after I'm done this series. And yeah, thanks. Okay, so after you're done this, you're going to paint your new backdrop. I don't care what color you use. Do that. And now we're just gonna do this. I'm kinda gonna do the same thing, but not really. Like that. It's gonna be like I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished coloring this in. Okay guys, I'm done. So now I'm just gonna add a text. Find the place you want to put it. Presents. Put a dot 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 for dramatic effect. You don't have to, but I want to. There. And I'm just gonna paint a new backdrop and just do this. I'm just gonna do this. Well, I'm just gonna be a big butt and do this. I'm not even gonna add any texture. You can add whatever you want on it. So yeah, RPG video game. There. See, I'm a lazy butt. So after you're done that, it'll be like this. So it'll be like T20 presents RPG video game. But you're like, when I press this, oh, nothing happens. What's with that? So what you're gonna do is go into when flag clicked. You're gonna go into looks, and you're gonna say switch to backdrop 1. Wait 1 second, and then switch to backdrop 2. Wait 1 second, switch to backdrop 3, like this. So it should look like this. T20 presents RPG video game. So now I'm just gonna go into backdrops, and this is actually gonna be the part where that comes in. Well, I know you guys can't see my mouse cursor, but I'm just gonna, where that comes in. So now you're all gonna do is create a cool backdrop, what you want it to be. So I'm just gonna put like, so it's an RPG game. I'm just gonna put it like that, and that, bam, bam, and that, and that, and that. So this is gonna be the background. It won't actually do anything. It'll just stand out and look cool. There. So now you're just gonna like maybe add a blue background. Gonna be add some trees maybe. Yeah. So I'll get to you guys when I finish this, because I do not want to waste your time watching me make the background with Scratch. Okay guys, I am back, and here we go. This is our RPG play background. So now we're gonna do this. Yeah, you basically know what we're doing. Okay, so we got this done. So it should look like this. T20 presents RPG video game. Before it switches, the RPG video game goes a little quick, so we're gonna do this. T20 presents RPG video game, and then I'll switch. So now we got 5 seconds in that, and you should remember this time because it actually does matter. So it'll be when that clicked, wait 5 seconds, looks, show. So it should do this. T20 presents RPG video game. And then this should pop up. And we're gonna put it there. It's not the best thing, but we can also do this. We can edit this and wait, play. yeah, so after that, we're just gonna add, but this might get confusing to you guys, so we're gonna put a, wait, if you didn't get that, so under show, you're gonna put an if then you're gonna put a forever on that, yeah, touching mouse pointer, then on the backgrounds, we're gonna add a new background, it's gonna be looks, hide, then looks, switch to backdrop 5. Yep, that's the code. So it should do this. When you come over, it basically starts the game. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. And I will give you guys a sneak peek what we're doing tomorrow, right now. Oh, and don't forget to save it, because if you don't save it, it won't, like, you're screwed. So after you do that, just press save file, save now. It'll just save to my stuff. So if we go to my stuff, RPG video game. So guys, I'll be giving you a tutorial of what we're doing next week. Okay guys, this is a game I made a while ago, but next week we're going to be working there. Oh, oops. It does glitch out. So next week we are going to be working on the how to movement. On movement, we're going to be working on movement. So, see you guys later. Bye!